Okay, this one is a recipe, so it's a proportion. So basically, the recipe they're using made 48 cookies, right? Cookies. Right? And for that, they needed 1 3/4 cup of butter. So I'm going to make that as 7/4 cups, right? Cups of butter. Um, and clearly that's not a valid fraction, but it's okay to use to set up a proportion. Now they're saying they only want to make 16 cookies, right? 16 cookies. And we could do this two ways. We could cross multiply, or we could just see what's happening from here to here. We're clearly multiplying by 1/3, right? We're dividing by 3. So here we have to multiply by 1/3. So I get 7/4 times 1/3. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 3 is 12. So we would need 7/12 cups of butter if we only wanted to make 16 cookies.